We are at the talking crosswalk.
Hey, I'm a what?
Oh.
Wait.
I was told to press it.
Wait. 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 Wait.
You're not even showing it on
Wait.
camera.
Wait. Cross Marshall at David.
Marshall.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Epic.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Okay, stop saying
wait.
wait now.
Wait. 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 Wait.
Okay, stop.
Cross Marshall at David.
Wait. Isaac, let me press the button.
Okay,
Wait.
our light's gonna change.
Wait.
So what are we gonna
Cross
do?
Marshall.
You're at 8.
Clap.
Wait. Walk fast. Don't.
Hey, we are crossing the talking crosswalk thing. 24, 23, 22.
Okay.
Guys, we're here at the YMCA in Centerville, and we're going to show you something cool, which is a p10 siren. It's just a couple of minutes across the talking sidewalk, and it's an ACA p10, I think. It's American cross signal. And we are now above it. We just changed the brightness. This is American